This is the AUXITO 194 type automotive LED bulbs. There's no need to take them out of the package because you can see everything going on right here. Ring of LEDs around each one, as well as LEDs facing straight out. So they will not only light up the reflector, but they will also send light straight out. These are very, very common LED bulbs. This is a very common type of bulb used in automotive applications. You can find these commonly for license plate lights, for sometimes you might have like a makeup light for the mirror, something like that, a glove box light, a map light, and other things as well. Sometimes side markers or rear markers of the vehicle, these are going to be used. They're a low wattage bulb, just enough to light it up so other drivers can see you. I'm going to go ahead and install these bulbs. I'm going to do just one side because you'll see a marked difference between it and the original incandescent. So we'll take these out to the car and install them. The car I'm going to be installing this in is a 2003 Toyota Camry. Installation is very similar amongst vehicles with this type of light. Simply pulls out and the new one pushes right in. But you have to find the right bulb. On this car, this assembly contains 4 bulbs from the bottom up: brake light, reverse light, turn signal, and the marker light. That's the one we want. So let's go on the inside. Well, they made it nice and easy for us. There's a panel here on this car. Just pop it out like that and fold it out of the way. Now, like I said, there are a number of different bulbs here. 1, 2, 3, and down here is the brake light at the bottom, out of frame. We need this very, very top one. This one has a little bit of tight quarters, but you can get in there, and you just grab it. So this one here, we're just going to grab it and give it a twist. Okay, so now I've twisted it, and if you can see, it's at an angle now, and then just pull it out. And here's the bulb right here. I'm going to go ahead and just turn that on for a minute just so you can see what it looks like. Then we'll put the LED in. You'll be quite surprised. So it's a light, exactly what you expected. It works, it's there. Now we'll put the LED in. So with the light off, so everything's safe, just try to get this panel out of the way. You just grab the bulb here and just wiggle it, and it pulls right out. We'll put that aside and get our new bulb and just stick it back in. Just wiggle it until it goes in all the way. And now let me go ahead and turn this on so you can see the difference. Seriously, a lot brighter and a lot nicer. Let me shut that and we'll go and install it. This is often the hardest part of the job, believe it or not. We're going to turn it around and stick it back in where it was, and then you have to just twist it around and find the right angle. I got it right there. I don't know if you can see, it's at that weird angle there. Sometimes you'll forget and you'll have it, you know, cocked the other way, and it's not going to go in. So just play with it. Once you get it, it's going to seat in the socket, in the light assembly. Give it a twist, and now it's locked in place right there. Put the panel back, and we're all set. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn the parking lights on. Now, if you recall, I only did the left side. So the left side has the new LED bulb. The right side is the incandescent. Let me go ahead and kick it on. And you can immediately tell that the left side is considerably brighter than the right side. The left side has a new AUXITO bulb in it. You'll also notice that there's a new brake light as well. So that would be in a companion video that I have that you can see as well. So it makes a huge difference. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch these bulbs out on the right so you can see the full LED experience. So there it is, all dressed up in LEDs, both left and right side. Looks great, a lot brighter than it was, and most certainly more noticeable to other drivers. So once again, this was the AUXITO 194 type LED automotive bulbs. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description to the manufacturer's website where you can find the item available for sale. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.